What up? It's Young Spence. I know it's been a minute since I recorded some shit, so I'm finna drop this little video called Excellence. Shout out to my nigga Dro, it's my big bro, my little bro Compton, my nigga Jerry, and my bro Casual out there in Vegas. They all doing that thing. Fuck with me. Excellence is my preference, I'm gifted like a present. Working for my future, living in my present, and trying to forget my past. Hoping cash can fill this void in my heart. I know it's not, but it's at least worth the shot, don't you think? Too scared to sleep, too scared to blink. I don't wanna miss my shot, I may not get another. Do this for my mother and my brothers. They've been all I had since my mama passed. It's been 13 years seeing your mother in the casket, but being too young to grasp it is a hard feeling to explain. You don't know my pain, and nobody knows my name, and I'm looking for a change. Don't got a penny to my name, I'm being literal. Shit is getting critical, I'm sick of being broke. My music is my only hope, but sometimes I lose faith, feeling like it's just a waste. I can't even say how many haters told me I won't make it. Even had one go as far as to bet me 100 G's that in 10 years my career would have gone nowhere. Well, I got news for ya, my future brighter than a solar flare, and I ain't going anywhere. So if you thought that was gone, make me give up on my dream, then you dumber than you seem, forever young. That's my team, trying to ball like Hakeem. The dream, thinking back on my past. A lot of people claiming they my fam, but now they know where to be found. Lately I've been feeling down, like an inspiration, like a motivation. Think I need a vacation.